Getting security clearance for a job typically involves a thorough background investigation and evaluation of your eligibility by a government agency or organization that requires security clearance. The specific process can vary depending on the level of clearance required, example, confidential, secret, top secret, and the country's regulations. Here are the general steps you may need to follow. Obtain a job requiring clearance. First, you need to find a job that requires security clearance. Many government agencies, defense contractors, and other organizations working with sensitive information or national security may require employees to have security clearances. Understand the different clearance levels. Different jobs may require different levels of security clearance, example, confidential, secret, top secret. Make sure you understand the specific requirements for the position you're interested in. Complete the job application. Apply for the job, following the organization's application process. Be honest and provide accurate information regarding your background, employment history, education, and other relevant details. Background investigation. If the organization is interested in hiring you, they will initiate a background investigation. This investigation is typically conducted by a government agency, such as the Office of Personnel Management, OPM in the United States. The investigation may include interviews with you, your references, and other individuals who know you well. Investigators will check your criminal history, financial records, and other aspects of your life. Complete the SF-86, or equivalent form. You will likely be required to complete a security clearance application form, such as the SF-86 in the United States. This form gathers detailed information about your background, foreign contacts, travel history, and more. Be thorough and truthful when filling out this form, as any discrepancies or omissions can raise concerns during the investigation. Security interview. Depending on the level of clearance and the results of the background investigation, you may be required to undergo a security interview. During this interview, an investigator will ask you questions about the information provided in your clearance application. Adjudication. Once the investigation is complete, your case will be reviewed and adjudicated to determine your eligibility for security clearance. This decision is typically made by a security clearance review board or similar authority. Notification. You will be notified of the decision regarding your security clearance eligibility. If granted, you will receive your clearance, and you can start your job. Maintenance. If you receive security clearance, you must maintain your eligibility by adhering to security protocols, reporting any changes in your personal life or foreign contacts, and undergoing periodic reinvestigations, depending on the clearance level. Keep in mind that the specific process and requirements may vary by country and organization. It's essential to follow the guidance provided by the organization you're applying to and be prepared for a comprehensive background check as part of the clearance process. Additionally, be honest and transparent throughout the process, as integrity is a critical factor in determining eligibility for security clearance.